Hello, and welcome back to Daily Talking, the podcast for English learners. My name is Alex. In our last episode, we talked about my morning routine. I leave my house at 8:15 a.m. So where do I go? Today, we talk about my job. We talk about a day at the office. I don't have a car. I go to work by bus, B-U-S, bus. I walk to the bus stop. The bus stop is near my house. I wait for the bus. Here it is. I get on the bus. The bus ride is about 30 minutes. 30 minutes. On the bus, I usually listen to music or a podcast. Sometimes I just look out the window. I get off the bus and I walk for 2 minutes. And I am at the office. My office is in a big building. I work on the 5th floor. I take the elevator. I say good morning to my colleagues. Colleagues, C-O-L-L-E-A-G-E-U-S, means work friends, the people I work with. I sit at my desk. My desk is near the window. First, I turn on my computer, and then I check my emails. E-M-A-I-L-S. I always have many emails in the morning. I read the emails. I write replies. Reply means I answer the email. I work on my computer for 3 hours. At 12:30 p.m., 12:30, it is lunchtime. I am very hungry. Sometimes I bring my own lunch from home, a sandwich or a salad. But today, I go to the cafeteria. The cafeteria is the restaurant in my office building. I meet my colleague Sarah there. Hello, Sarah. How are you? Today, I eat vegetable soup and some chicken. I talk with Sarah. We talk about the weekend. We don't talk about work. Lunchtime is a good break. After lunch, I go back to my desk. At 2 p.m., I have a meeting. A meeting is when a group of people talk about work. The meeting is in a big room. My boss is there. My colleagues are there. We talk about a new project. The meeting is 1 hour long. After the meeting, I work more on my computer. I make a report. At 5 p.m., 5 o'clock, work is finished. It is time to go home. I save my work. I turn off my computer. I take my bag and my coat. I say goodbye to my colleagues. See you tomorrow, Sarah. I leave the office. I walk to the bus stop. I go home. It was a busy day, but a good day. And that is my day at the office. What about you? Do you work in an office or are you a student? Thank you for listening to Daily Talking. See you next time. Goodbye.